Welcome to Lucia's Kitchen. Today's recipe is making a side dish of broccoli rabe. And the ingredients you need obviously is your broccoli rabe, a colander, and a big pot of water on your stove, getting it ready for a boil. So what I'd like to spend some time today is just to show you how to clean your broccoli rabes. So we're going to look at each broccoli. You see this leaf, how it's wilted? You're going to pull that off and you're going to examine your leaf. Okay, that doesn't look too good. All right, so you're going to look at the stem. You're going to cut about right here and you're going to slice that down so the stem, by cutting the stem in half, it cuts down on the cooking time. Okay, we're going to boil our broccoli rabe. So I always cut it like that, remove that dead leaf. This looks good. Cut it down the center. Always cut it there. This looks bad. This doesn't look too good. So you decide this one looks bad. Now remember, you see how much broccoli rabe that's here? You wait till it's all boiled down. It doesn't make a whole lot. It seems like a lot when you're cleaning them and when you see it in the colander, but when it's reduced, get rid of all that. So that's all you have to do, is you're gonna, now make sure, you see how there's yellow? You don't wanna see that. That's not what you want. So what I do, sometimes I wouldn't even use it. At this time, there's not a lot, so I'll cut it out. Still good. The broccoli rabe is all cut and rinsed. Now it's ready to go into the boiling hot water. So why don't you follow me over here. What you have to do is just try to bring down all the broccoli rabe down to the bottom. Okay, make sure it's covered with water. Now we'll give it it takes only like 10-15 minutes, and once the stems are soft, I usually just grab one like that and I just squeeze it. You can see how hard it still is. So in 10-15 minutes, this may be really soft and it'll probably be done. Okay? So we'll check back in a bit. Let's check the broccoli rabe. Come closer with the camera. And this is how you test. It's been 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. You see how that's really soft? Let's grab another one. Just use your fingertips. Oh. See, that's really mushy. So once you can soften that stem, look how soft. Let me just use my left hand. There you go. It's gooey. So it's done. All right, so now we can shut it off. And grab my tear it home mitts. Here we go. Come over to a sink, dump this into a colander. Just like that. Whew. Now the pot was really full with broccoli rabe. Now you can tell, look how much that's been reduced. So you want to try to get as much water as possible out of there. Okay. And you're going to dump it into your plate, just like that. Get a fork. Move that around. All right, here's the key. Now we're going to add 3 ingredients. Type of olive oil to your liking. So I'm just going to drizzle. I'm just going to drizzle like that. You can't have too much or too little, so it's not an exact science. We're going to mix this up. And put some salt on it. You can even squeeze a lemon if you like. If you like, gives it a different flavor. Salt that to taste, turn it, and the key is your garlic. Grab my garlic. This is key. The garlic is what gives it a lot of flavor. So, and you can use as many garlic cloves as you like. I just have 2 now, so. And you just slice it, just like this. Okay? This is such a healthy side dish to any meal. You can actually eat this for lunch if you like. You can take 2 pieces of Italian bread and make a sandwich of broccoli rabe. So, here's my masterpiece for today. Enjoy.